Hello, friends. Long time no see. Okay, here I come again with an awesome informative video about the sea or ocean. This is really an amazing article made by Neil Agarwal. I really appreciate for his extraordinary work and the research he went through for this. So, let's see. To be precise, this contains every aquatic species living in every meters of the sea and how far we have explored so far. So here we go. The deep sea made with love by Neil Agarwal. So around 5 meters the aquatic species are Atlantic salmon and manatee. 15 meters it's striped bass, stagger and coral. 26 meters European pilchard, polar bear. Polar bear lives underwater. It's a surprising fact for me. Sorry if I don't know. Then it's barramundi and clownfish are Nemo, and then it's velvet crab, blue tang or dory, Atlantic cod, leafy sea dragon, spiny dogfish, mahi mahi, spotted bass, flounder, Belgua whale, quite big, I think so, barnacle, bluefish, great barracuda, and killer whale. So, up to 100 meters, these are the aquatic animals. I think about each and every fish we can write an article. Then it's queen snapper, then pelagic stingray and sea lion, Leptoceras, bull shark, black drum, green sea turtle, Atlantic mackerel, dentex. As I go down, you can see the sun is also lowering bit by bit. Really amazing. Twilight zone. See, that's what they itself have mentioned because to that we can see the water is very blue and it's getting darker. Thick build Murtide. If I pronounced wrongly means pardon me. Haddock, wolf, eel, chain catch shark. Looking nice. Kelp, terrible claw lobster. Olive ridley sea turtle. Great white shark. Bottlenose dolphin dive. Oh, this lives around 300 meters. Dolphin. We could see this dolphin only sometimes jumping higher, think so. Cockatoo squid, gummy shark, human. At 332 meters, this is the deepest any human has ever scuba dived, set by Ahmed Gabir in 2014. So, with the scuba diving, we can go up to only 332 meters, and it's a record. Okay, after that, blue shark, then firefly squid. Wow, it's too dark, man. Big eye tuna. Sea angel. Sea angels are majestic sea slugs that use wing to propel themselves. Yeah, it looks like a Casper. Chinook salmon, mako shark, emperor penguin dive. Oh, penguin go up to 500 meters. Wow. Swordfish, nautilus, sunfish, bamboo coral, Japanese spider crab. Wow, it looks really awesome. Japanese spider crab is the largest known crab with the maximum leg span of 3.8 meters. Wow, amazing. Coelacanth. Coelacanths were thought to be extinct until found alive in 1938. Hmm. King crab, giant Pacific octopus. Octopuses really amazing. Giant oarfish. Giant oarfish can grow up to 11 meters long. Wow. Monkfish. Pacific cod. Maris orthocana. Victoriniella worm. Weird man. Sperm whale dive. Leatherback sea turtle. Leatherback sea turtle are the oldest sea turtle species. Pied beaked whale. Okay, we have reached 1000 meters so far, the midnight zone. So after this, there will be no sunlight. But before itself, it's like that only. Okay, anyway, no sunlight is able to reach this deep. Many deep sea creatures cope by creating light themselves, also known as bioluminescence. Okay, anglerfish. Anglerfish has a large bioluminescent lure used to attack prey in the darkness. Pronema. Orange ruggy. Orange ruggy can live to up to 200 years. Wow. Deep sea life often have elongated lifespans. Hmm. Venure flytrap sea anemone. Blobfish. Frilled shark. Looks like a skeleton. Goblin shark. Goblin sharks are known as living fossils because they are only living species of lineage. Wow, that has existed for 125 million years. That's why I love this guy who made this article, because then and there he gives very informative stuff also. Bubblegum coral and hatchet fish, dragonfish, big red jellyfish. Many deep sea species use the color red as camouflage since it's the first color to leave the spectrum as you dive deeper. Greenland halibut, giant tube worm. Giant tube worms get their nutrients from hydrothermal vents. Hydrothermal vents are formed from seawater passing through extremely hot volcanic rocks. They release heavy metals that are toxic to most animals. But even in those extreme conditions, specialized life finds a way to survive. Yeah, 1700 meters is really crazy. Yeti crab. Yeti crabs lives on hydrothermal vents. Six-gilled shark. Six-gilled sharks spend the day in deep waters and night in the shallow waters. They can be found all over the world. Oh wow! So quite a traveler, because it will go up and down every day. Deepest dive of a narwhal. Narwhals dive to this depth up to 15 times a day in search for food. Oh, for food it dives. Jewel squid. Yeah, really looks like a jewel. Sea pen. What's that? Telescope octopus. Telescope octopus are almost completely transparent and have unique protruding eyes. Giant isopod. Meals are rare in the deep sea. Deep sea creatures are adapted to this. One giant isopod in captivity went 5 years without eating. Ooh. 5 years without eating. How they even survive? So 2000 deep. Greenland shark. Colossal squid. Colossal squid are the largest known squid species. They can reach a length of 10 meters. Wow. and weigh up to 700 kgs. Mm. Barrel Barrel eye fish have a transparent head that allows their eyes to collect more light. Elephant Seaday, Giant Tactis, Chimeras, Squidworm. Is it a squid or a worm? It's a worm. Black swallower. Black swallower can swallow entire fish whole, even those vastly larger than themselves. Viper fish. Scaly foot snail. Scaly foot snail get its name from the iron plates on its foot and the iron shell. It's made out of iron sulfate. Snail. Even snails live under 3000 meters. Wow. Vampire squid. Eat marine snow, organic material that falls from shallow waters. Headless chicken fish. Headless chicken fish are sea cucumbers with wing-like fins that allow them to swim. Zombie worm. Kuvis beaked whale dive. Kuvis beaked whales are the deepest diving mammals. Mammals? Glass sponge, gulper eel, cosmic jellyfish. This looks really nice. Stoplight loose jaw, harp sponge, cookie cutter shark. This shark takes cookie shaped chunks out of its prey. Lizard fish, flabby whalefish. This is average depth of the ocean, but in some places it goes deeper. Oh, average depth itself is 3500 meters, much deeper. Yeah, let's dive. Titanic wreckage. Yeah, very famous. It's around 4000 meters. On April 14th, 1912, the Titanic sank to the final resting place at a depth of 3800 meters. Okay. Patagonian toothfish. Patagonian toothfish have antifreeze proteins in its tissue to prevent freezing in sub-zero temperatures. Dumbo octopus. The abyssal zone. Temperature here is near freezing and very few animals can survive the extreme pressure. Atolla jellyfish. Oh wow. No species found. So lonely, man. Sea pig. Megamouth shark. Megamouth shark are one of the largest growing shark species with some reaching 7 meters long. What? Even squids reach 10 meters. A shark only 7 meters. It's quite small, if you ask me. Fangtooth. Tripod fish. Caridae. Faceless fish. We have reached 5000 Hemipoda. Quite faster, right? After 5000. This is the deepest point of Manila Trench in the South China Sea. Oh. Brittle star. Man, it's very lonely. Abyssal spiderfish. See, in starting we could see lot of fishes, but now it has highly reduced. Every 1000 meters we get a fish. Where? The Hadal zone. More people have been to the moon than the Hadal zone. Sea is really complicated, and yeah, we have to explore the sea more and more. Most of the Hadal zone takes place in deep sea trenches. Hmm. Deep sea trenches formed by a process called subduction, where the Earth's tectonic plates meet and push together. USS Johnston's shipwreck. USS Johnston sank in World War II and is the deepest shipwreck ever found. Hmm, quite an history. Deep sea can be a lonely place. Yeah, I felt it way earlier. Life here is sparse. The extreme condition makes survival difficult. Definitely, even we could feel this, but still not impossible. Yeah, amazing species. Grenadier and quite dangerous as well. Chiton. So little is known about the life in this deep environment. Almost every expedition uncovers something. Yeah, when you said Hedel Zone itself, it's quite understandable because exploring deep sea is the hardest thing. Comb jelly. Comb jellies have been around for 500 million years. Despite looking like jellyfish, they are not closely related. 500 million years. Wow. This is the deepest point of Java Trench in the Indian Ocean. Hadel's Nile fish. Cusk eel. This is the lowest point of Puerto Rico Trench. You have scrolled the height of Mount Everest. So, so this is the height of Mount Everest, 8,800 meters around. Man, not even one species found. Many probes and submarines have been lost trying to reach the deepest parts of the ocean. On January 23rd, 1960, almost 9 years before the moon landing, humans went where they never had before. Two men, Jacques Picardo and Don Walsh, on board the submarine Tristy, slowly descended into the Mariana Trench. Wow, the submarine also moves along with the depth. Quite an amazing thing. The story is also very nice to read. Their goal was to reach the Challenger deep, the deepest point in the ocean. Okay, here you go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You can make it, guys. Think I think you would have definitely succeeded. Let's see. The submarine used a rebreather system that would later be used in spacecraft. There was barely enough space inside the special pier for both of them. Yeah, for achieving success, we have to try hard, and the pain will be more as well. The immense pressure of the deep sea means any mistake could mean certain death. Yeah, it's quite obvious. I also wonder how they survive the species, which might be quite deadlier, but really hats off. During the descent, one of the window panes cracked and shook the entire vessel. Oh my god, quite risky. Nevertheless, they continue. Yeah, that's a way to achieve success. Never ever give up. Even at this unfathomable depths, Jacques and Dawn could still see life out the window. Life can survive unimaginable environments. Yeah, yeah, really awesome. Hadel Hampiford. 1500, 1600, 1700. After 4 hours and 47 minutes of anxiety and claustrophobia, they succeeded and became the first humans to reach the deepest point in the ocean, the Challenger Deep. So 1924 meters depth was the one they reached. The Deep Sea, made with love by Neil Agarwal. Special thanks to Dr. Harry Petitway to help with editing and feedback. Really an awesome post and really very informative. And do visit this website for more information and read about those fishes to know really an awesome wonderful world which we might have not known. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, signing off, yours imaginary friend. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.